Have you ever struggled with designing graphics for your social media or marketing campaigns? Well, Microsoft has just released a new tool called Microsoft Designer that incorporates AI Assistant Copilot to make designing things a breeze. To get started with Microsoft Designer, head over to their website and click on the Start Designing button. Unlike other design tools, Microsoft Designer offers a unique feature where you can describe the design that you want to create instead of being dropped into a blank canvas. If you're having trouble coming up with inspiration, you can look at the sample designs on the right-hand side of the website. The AI will generate a design based on the text you input, and you can also choose from a variety of designs. Once you select a design that you like, you can make further refinements and tweaks to the design in the main designer interface. You can change the text, colors, and visuals that appear in the design, and even swap out the design with different ideas generated by the AI assistant. One of the coolest features of Microsoft Designer is that you can use it to generate high-quality motion graphics for your social media or marketing campaigns. In summary, Microsoft Designer is a great tool for those who don't have a design background and want to create professional-looking graphics. With the help of the AI Assistant Copilot, you can easily generate high-quality designs and customize them to fit your needs. Hope this video was informative. Please subscribe to our channel and comment with your feedback. We will soon come back with another exciting video.